everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. This is where the magic happens. This is where nutrition meets science, meets your fitness goals. Okay, I felt really motivated just to come on here real quick and to show you what builds the muscle, which keeps your abs flat, that gives you the bubbled out glutes. So if you have any questions, post them below. I'm going to be doing more Instagram lives and taking your nutritional, fitness, motivational questions. I've been in the fitness industry for close to 20 years. I am 44. I started competing and being in the fitness industry in 2003, and I love what I do. And as I continue on my evolution as a top fitness expert and professional, it is my sheer joy to motivate you on your journey. I'm just going to show you what I'm eating here. All right, so mid-morning snack. It's about 11:45, so I'm having my protein shake made with water. Okay, why water? Because you want to keep it lean and you want to keep it clean. So I mix it with water. Right now I'm on the keto chocolate. It's delicious. I'm not saying I'm keto, and you don't have to be keto to enjoy these products. I absolutely have been enjoying this. I actually do take a shot of the keto oil. I do a fat fasting. Thank you for the love. Hi, Brooke. Hi, Shelby. I do a fat fasting in the morning. I'll take a tablespoon of this on an empty stomach before I start teaching at jnlvip.com, and it gives me a great boost. It gives me a fired up energy burning, fat burning furnace jolt, if you will. And I'm on the Pure C8 MCT oil. Now, there's two different times. This is two different kinds on the website. This is the Pure C8, the purest form. When you go to the website and check it out, you'll see there's two different options. And if you want 15% off, remember this. Go to perfectketo.com/JNL15 and then use code JNL15. You'll get 15% off your entire order. So you have the protein shake, you have the oil. Let me have a sip of this. I'm also have my asparagus for the day. I just want to cut to the chase. If you're thinking you're going to see some Emerald Lagasse, fat bacon lard, lasagna, gourmet meals, this is really, go to another channel. I'm a foodie. I love food, but I have to say that when you are in the fitness industry and you want to have your body perform a certain way, and you have to have your muscles, you have to create an environment for your muscles to have the protein it needs and the good carbs, and it's all about timing. Okay, so I have some look how beautiful this is, steamed asparagus. How cool is that? I'm boring you guys, aren't I? Look, you want a bite of this. Actually, it's so good. I steam it in the morning and I leave it in the kitchen, so whenever I'm coming in and out, I'll grab a piece. So you're constantly detoxing, because asparagus is very strong. If you were going to eat a bunch at one sitting, you might get a stomach ache. So I kind of graze until it's all gone until the end of the day. That's going to allow me to release the water weight when I'm working out in my next workout. Any questions? Perfect body structure and beauty. Thank you, and God bless you for the love. Mwah. So you can put lemon, Mrs. Dash. I just do it plain and eat it throughout the day. All right, going on. I have something that is so exquisite. Gourmet egg whites. And a rice cake. Why? Because you need a carb. This is a simple carb, and you're like, well, you always tell me to do complex carbs. Well, when you need carbs and you're hungry and you need it on the go, this is a great source. And you've seen all the bodybuilders do it, all the fitness competitors. Your body's gonna absorb this quickly, and you're gonna get a really good source of energy, but you want to make sure you put it with a protein. So I'm doing egg whites, and I'm making it real interesting. I'm going to be opening up my Nuts and More protein infused peanut butter, which is really good. Okay, so if you want to really crack your fat loss code, you might have to really kind of get used to this food. I actually like eating this way. That's the funny part. I don't like eating all that excess, stuff you don't need. But look how good this is. I mean, come on, this is birthday cake. I'm going to give a shout out to the people at Nuts and More for making eating healthy taste so delicious. Okay, so this is a balanced meal. You can add some fruit to it. people say, is fruit bad for you? You know what? It's not bad for you. It's all about the timing. Have your fruit before 4. Have it with your post-workout meal or lunch, and then kind of let it, don't eat fruit after that. If you're really wanting to crack your code and lose weight, okay? So look, you have a beautiful rice cake, so simple. Your protein, nuts and more, peanut butter, you have your egg whites. Anything else I want to say here before I sign off? Love my True Formula, BCAAs plus your vitamins. You got to take your vitamins. Vitamin B's are so important. Vitamin B's, you need to have them with water. That's why you have vitamins that digest with in fats and then water. And that's why I like to take my True Formula. Go to truemarks.com/JNL and stock up on this. I put it with my water, I put it with my juice. And you don't need to then be drinking the BCAAs, because the BCAAs are already in there with your vitamins, which is really cool. So if you're drinking one thing, that's going to make it smarter for you. Okay, any questions, guys, before I sign off? LA. I'm in Miami. Where do you live? I live in Miami. A lot of people think I live in LA, which is really cool, but I live in Miami, okay? And hello, Santorini by Giorgio's. We love you. Next time we're going to break some plates. Hoppa! By the way, we're bringing the VIP women to the World Conference in January. We love you, Santorini by Giorgio. But I'm going to be doing a live Saturday night because I want to have a larger group of people, because I understand people are working now and stuff. So Saturday night between 6 and 6:30, I'm going to make an announcement all over my Instagram and Facebook handles, letting you guys know I'll be taking your fitness and nutritional questions, because I love to share my vast experience for 17 years. And I feel like I've done it all. You know, I've done that bodybuilding food plan. I was vegan for 3.5 years, which I really enjoyed. I started putting back animal protein into my diet, and I also enjoyed the results that I've seen from that. So I can tell you, based off of your goals, what you want, what you're looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in and win. And DM me, or feel free to send me an email through my website, which will be launching a new, improved, revamped website soon, and we're going to be doing tons of giveaways with the food sponsors, the fitness sponsors that I work with. I want to tell you something. If you want it bad enough, you'll find a way. Big shout out to my VIP members who have a real direct contact with me. I love each and every one of you. If you want to join our group, which is a worldwide network of fabulous women, go to jnlvip.com. And I'm not going to take the excuse of I don't have the time and I don't have the money, because it's only $1 for your first 30 days and $24 after that every month. No contract, no sneaky fees, no sneaky upgrades. It's just $24 and you get everything included. The workouts and motivation, the group coaching, the nutritional support, incorporated into the challenges, plus so much more. I could be here talking all day, but I'll close out on this. If you want it, it's yours. You got to just make the time for yourself. I believe in you. Have a God bless day. Thank you, guys, and cheers.